Okay, so right now we're in front of something called Lisboeta. So it's I don't know when it's going to be ready, but you can see this kind of cool mural way up there. So that must be something that's common in I guess Lisboeta is like Little Lisbon, I think. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Lisbon, I think. But there's another one over here called Grand Lisboa Palace too, and then there's Macau Palace, and then over there is Wind Palace, and then so yeah, actually, so we're kind of surrounded by all kinds of cool stuff. So I think I'm gonna go check out Lisboeta. So I'm on my bike today. And we are going to go down this empty road that will probably someday be filled with cars. But here in 2020, construction era, COVID era, it's fairly empty. We have the stadium over here, so it'll be interesting to see how everything connects later. So it's right now it's just all being built, so at the moment we don't really know how it's all gonna fit together logistically, but there's like crosswalks here and a pretty big street. So okay, I think it's gonna be like, I drove here at nighttime the other day, and I was kind of surprised because I thought that was kind of it, and then I got down there further and like, oh nope, it keeps on going, and you're gonna probably see that today. So yeah, there's some escalators, outdoor escalators. Hello. When is Lisboeta gonna be ready? Oh, maybe like 2021. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So we're gonna, yeah, kind of cool. So we're gonna keep on exploring. Later we're gonna go check that out too. So I don't know when this. Actually, I just kind of knew about the Lisboa Palace because that was I've asked them before, and I think they said they were gonna be, that was gonna be ready sooner. Oh, okay. Now you can see this big name. I can see it from a distance earlier. So, Maison L'Occitane. I don't know, it's in French. I can't pronounce that. So, anyways. And then we have this, then we come up against this mountain. So if you watch some of my other videos, I kind of explored by this mountain, and I went around the other side of this big building, and then we could see that there was also like this huge, massive parking lot, and that parking lot had like a skydiving thing in there too. But for the moment, it's kind of, this one is massive. There's, it says Lisboeta again. So anyways, there we go, that's the corner of it. And now you can get a sense for just how massive it is. So yeah, this Lisboeta is going to take up a lot of space. I don't know how they're going to use the space. It doesn't seem like it's like quite up to the amazingness of Venetian and Parisian and such, but you never know. Like, you just have no idea, because they're going to have that zip line if that's connected with the Macau Palace. And so anyways, if you watch some of my other videos, there's a golf course straight ahead, Caesar's golf course. That's kind of in the kitty corner from here. Mountains, prisons behind me. The prison is up by those factory things that go up. We saw a landfill way down there. So anyways, let's just end it for Lisboeta, and we're gonna do another video over here in a minute with this other stadium. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.